Aaron here from the RadBoyz. Okay, so I just had an idea come to me. I wanted to get pink pads for this build, just to give a little more pink down there in the brake area. These are identical to the original pads that were on it and would 100% work, because look at the color of these things. Couldn't be better. But I'm thinking, just to give it a little more flash, what's stopping me from painting this pink? I'm gonna try it. I could always strip them off if I don't like it. Okay, let's go try this. Going to the mailbox once again. I'm really hoping that the mail is there today. I'm hoping it's like Christmas morning. I should have a bunch of stuff there. Been waiting on some RC parts, and most importantly, the Kuwahara decals. Also got to run to the store and get a lighter. Out of lighters in the shop. Can never have enough lighters. We keep a well-stocked pile of lighters in the garage for lighting candles. Yes, we light a lot of candles, and when you light a lot of candles, you need to make sure you have lighters to light candles. You know, work on a project, stop, light a candle, go do a little bit more, stop, light another candle. You can never have enough candles during a project. So yeah, I need some lighters. I don't buy one lighter, I buy a pack of lighters. We got a lot of candles. A lot of candles to light. Please, please, let there be mail. Look at this crappy rainy day. I'm gonna try to get a few little things done on the bike. I'm hoping to be able to assemble it either tonight or tomorrow, but that depends, because I had an idea come to me last night, another little finishing touch that's going to take some time to do, and it's paint work, so you also have to wait for it to dry before you can do any assembly. I may or may not do that work though. I need to kind of test a spot to see if what I'm thinking is even possible, and if it's not possible, then I'm not going to do it, obviously. I can't risk messing up the already amazing paint job that exists, but if I can enhance it, I will. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Is the mail here? Come on, mail. Come on, mail. We need to get this build done. Oh my God. No! You gotta be kidding me, man. What the hell good is this? Damn. Well, that gives me lots of time to get those finishing touches done. Now I'm gonna work extra hard on making sure I can do them. I gotta do something. I mean, not that I don't have lots to do. I got lots to do, but I want to keep the Kuwahara ball rolling here. Waiting on the post. Damn it. No mail. But I got my candle lighters. Now I need to make a custom paintbrush using a single horse eyelash taped to a chopstick. Should work. What I plan on doing tonight is painting these dice pink. I'm going to mix some paint here, make my own pink. Then I'm going to put it in here. I already got this set up over here. This is my airbrush. So I'm gonna set those dice up on something, put it on this stool, airbrush them pink, and then when that's done, I'm gonna paint the pips burgundy, the same burgundy as all the other parts. So these are some dice caps that I actually make here in the shop. They come in 6 different colors: green, yellow, red, blue, black, and white. But I don't have pink. And I don't have time to wait. You're probably thinking, why would you paint a set of dice? Why wouldn't you just buy a set of pink valve caps? Yeah, you can buy pink valve caps, but I don't have time to wait for pink valve caps. And the ones that you can buy are square, and these ones are round corners. I like the round corners. They're like a little nicer quality dice. So I'm just going to airbrush these pink, and then like I said, I'm going to paint the pips with a brush, pink and burgundy, custom dice. They're going to be awesome. That's the plan tonight, this little project, and hopefully tomorrow my decals will be here and I can get this thing on the go. Assembly time. Didn't get no decals today, so I'm just tying up a few loose ends. I'm also at some point have to find, I know somewhere around here I have a set of chain tensioners, which I need because look at those dropouts. Oh my god, they're brand new. I can't tighten an axle on that without a washer. So chain tensioners for sure. I gotta dig out of my bins over there. So yeah, that's about it for tonight. Just some basic stuff because I'm waiting on parts. Rob and I went to Harvester yesterday. I picked up this pink chain and I picked up this lychee rotor. So I'm going to clean this thing up at some point with some others, maybe a light wet sand on the top there. It's got some shelfware. Clean that up and she should be good to go. So yeah, let's mix up some paint and get this paint airbrush happening and paint these things pink. First I have to find a way to mount these dice solid. I need something that will go into that valve hole fairly tight so that I can spin these around and use it like a lollipop stick. And then once I paint them pink, it doesn't take very long for this tester's model paint to dry. So once they're pink, I'll be able to hold whatever stick, hopefully, that fits in there and paint all these pips. I want to get it done tonight so they're dry and ready to go when the decals get here. So yeah, let's paint these. Look at that. That is hand painted. Boom. Did that already, just to see if it was possible. did this already. So here's a little tip. I have dug out a set of seat guts out of my collection for the Dominator seat for the Kuwahara build, and I'm going to show you how I install my seat guts. I don't do it the normal way. I don't know if you've ever noticed on any of my bikes. I'll look over here, show you in this one. This is my bike, this is Rob's bike, but notice how there is no seat guts. The reason there's no seat guts is because they're upside down. Just like that. Mounted upside down. A much cleaner way to install the seat guts than the stock. So anyways, I'm going to put this one together and you can take a look and see how it goes. Pretty easy. Take everything apart, flip it over, remount it. Sometimes, depending on the seat, it can be a little bit tricky. There she is, ready to be mounted. Seat guts upside down. Booyah! Work just the same, only they can't be seen. RadBoyz.